This ain't your mama's spaghetti, but she gonna want the recipe. Today, we're making a delicious, healthy, homemade spaghetti. The kids will love it, grown-up loves it. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to boil our spaghetti. I'm using hidden veggie spaghetti. This rated 90 out of 100 on the Yuka app. Now, if you don't know what the Yuka app is, it's an app where you can scan your food and see how much healthy it is. No, it's not sponsored. I just want to share that with y'all, okay? Now I'm going in with a little bit of salt and chicken bouillon. Allow that to boil until al dente. All right, guys, my pasta's boiling. I'm going to start by making the sauce. Just a little bit of olive oil in my cast iron. I'm using that because I want y'all to be able to see. I'm going in with some green bell pepper, onion. I got some tomatoes going in as well. I'm trying not to add the water because I want this to actually saute. Give it a mix. Now I'm going in with about 3 cloves of minced garlic. Fresh garlic is essential when you're making spaghetti so you can get that delicious garlicky flavor. Smells good. Love the smell of garlic. Now is the perfect time for me to add in my ground turkey. I'm going in with some ground beef as well, but of course you can just use ground turkey. Next, we're going to season our ground beef. I know some people will probably drain this, but we're not going to drain it. Instead of adding additional water to it, we're just gonna keep the water in. Add your seasoning, it'll be listed down below for you. Just gonna mix it in. And also, we're going to add in some tomato paste, about a tablespoon of that. I can smell the herbs, okay? I have some Italian seasoning in here. I can smell it. Can you smell it through the camera? It smells so good. Anywho, now we're going in with our sauce. Pause. I know you're probably saying, oh, why are you using jar? Because it's easier. The kids are hungry. And this is tomato, basil, garlic. This actually rated a 70 on the Yuka app, so that's why I picked this one, okay? So I'm going to pour that into my ground beef. Just like this. My kids love spaghetti, so I try to make it as healthy as I can. I'm going to add a little bit of water, just halfway. So what I'm going to do, I added some of the pasta water in here. I'm going to pour that in. Just pour it in. Just like this. It is hot. Give it a stir. And we're just going to allow this to simmer on low for about, I'll say 20 minutes. So everything can be nice and cooked. You can tell this is already flavorful. Actually, let's add some fresh parsley on that. Give it a nice mix and let it simmer on low, okay? All right, guys, my pasta is al dente. My sauce is ready. So I'm going to place my spaghetti right in, just like this. But I do have a question though. Do you guys like when your spaghetti is in the sauce, or do you like adding the sauce to your spaghetti in the plate? Let me know down below which one is your preference. But I'm just going to mix it just like that. Just mix it. The sauce is so flavorful. It's so good, okay? Mix it in. Woo, that looks good. And it smells amazing. All the herbs, all the veggies in here. Smells so delicious. I'm going to add some freshly grated Parmesan to it. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. You cannot go wrong with some good old Parmesan cheese. And you add as much as your heart desire. And then now you give it a nice mix. The sauce in. And your spaghetti is ready. Trust me, send this recipe to your mama because she's gonna want it, okay? So flavorful, healthy, and you don't have to feel guilty while you eat this. So let's plate it. All right, let's give it a try. This is absolutely delicious. The kids will love it. You will love it. I hope you give it a try very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.